Before this video begins, I would just like to publicly state that this is for a general audience. This can be enjoyed by children and adults alike. Children under the age of 13 can enjoy this video for the Thomas & Friends brand itself. Teens and adults can also enjoy this video for its production value and nostalgia.
Thank you, Mayland Studios, and which part? Let's go this.
What up, fruit lovers? Little Apple and Pear here, and today we're gonna do the Bean Boozled Challenge. Take it away, Pear.
The Bean Boozled Challenge works like this. Inside this canister are a bunch of jelly beans. Let's get one real quick. All right, so whichever jelly bean we pick, there's a 50% chance it's really great and a 50% chance it's really awful. So take this red one, for example. According to the sheet here, it might be cheery cherry or it might be boiled blood.
Ew! Boiled blood sounds gross.
Hey, who you calling gross? You got a problem with me? You got a problem with me? Draw me some arms. Yeah, come at me, bro. Come on.
Hold up. I think there might be some mistake.
No mistake. You guys just dissed on boiled blood. Now you got my blood boiling. What's up?
See, I was under the impression that boiled blood was how you tasted, not your personality.
Can it be both? Come on. Fight back, you dweebs. Come out. Come out. Come out.
I mean, I didn't expect him to be a cognizant jelly bean, but, I mean, should we eat him anyway?
What? No, of course not.
Go ahead and just try to eat me. You'll be eating a knuckle sandwich. That's what you'll be eating. Come out. Come out. Come out.
What? Little Apple, you just ate that guy.
What? He was a jerk. Tastes like cherry, though.
Huh. Didn't see that coming.
Did someone call for cherry?
Oh, hey there. You must be Cheery Cherry.
I sure am. Go ahead, eat me, please.
You can't be serious.
That's what I'm here for.
I feel bad. You're so nice.
Don't feel bad. It's what I've always wanted.
Dude!
What? I was supposed to stand here and listen to that dog whistle of a laugh again? No thanks.
What was that? Was that your stomach?
Uh-oh. Cheery cherry tastes like boiled blood. Yeah, it's coming back up. That's what you get for judging a jelly bean by its cover. Ain't that the truth?
All right, who's the wise guy that ate me? Let me at him. Draw me a sword. Let's do this thing.